you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a product review by RAW REV. Do you want to know what's in my box and what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I actually received this box. It just showed up. I've never heard of this company. They didn't ask me to do a review or anything. They just sent me some products to test out. Then I had to find the company to get a hold of them to ask them a little bit more information and to see if they were going to give you guys a code. They did generate my own code, which is SheCrafty, which will get you 10% off your entire purchase from their website. I will link everything down below. When I received this, again, I never heard of this company. I didn't think I was expecting anything. So I was like, what in the world is this? No bad stuff, no kidding. And I'm like, okay. So I opened it and I'm like, whoo. By the packaging alone wants me to just devour these. So they do very good with their packaging as far as drawing me in with the images. But when you open up this box, it does say high quality plant-based proteins, no soy, low sugars, high fibers, no artificial sweeteners, flavors, or sugar alcohols, real organic dark chocolate and raw superfoods, moist, delicious, and satisfying. 5-star reviews. And it looks like they did give me a sticker right here where that's the name of the company, RAW REV. And then here are some protein bars. And you guys, if you do follow me, you know I do like to have protein bars, protein shakes, that kind of thing. So when I saw these, I was very, very intrigued. Look at the packaging. See the images on there? It's like, I want that. So I'm just going to show you the flavors and then I'm going to test them out. So here's the first one. This is birthday cake. But doesn't that look so good? And you even have like some cashews down here to tell you it's gonna be like some little nutty thing. I don't know, that just looks so good. Then we have is a double chocolate brownie batter. And again, these all sound so good. This one is peanut butter, dark chocolate, and sea salt. That even sounds amazing. But it looks like there's the brownie, there's the peanut, there's the peanut butter. Like, it's like straight to the point. All the good stuff is what it looks like. So I'm hoping. I got 2 of the peanut butter dark chocolate sea salt. So there's 2 of those. Now here is a creamy peanut butter and sea salt. Ooh, that sounds amazing. And these are soft. Like, I can tell they're not even like hard. I can squeeze them if I wanted to. I'm not going to, but I could. This one is mixed nuts, caramel, and sea salt. And all of these range from 10 grams of protein up to 15 grams of protein, depending on which flavor. And then here is a chocolate chip cookie dough. And again, look at it, just looks like a real like cookie dough. There's a cashew on there. Like, this is definitely drawing me in. And by the packaging, I feel like they're gonna be amazing, but we won't know until we get into the packaging. So this is the cookie dough. I'm gonna go ahead and try the cookie dough. I'll try the birthday cake, and then I will go ahead and try a bite of like the peanut butter dark chocolate sea salt. So then there's 3 of the flavors, and then I just have 3 more to try off camera. So let's go with the cookie dough first. I'm really, really excited to try these, you guys. And it took the company a little while to get back to me because of the holiday weekend. So I'm like staring at these, wanting to try them like, all weekend. Okay, so this is what the actual bar looks like all in its entirety from inside. I'm just gonna take a little piece off of it. But you see, it's not hard at all. It's nice and soft. You see there's real chocolate chips right in there. And this is the cookie dough. So, see, looks really good. It smells like a Mrs. Fields cookie. It tastes like one too. I was not expecting it to taste this good. Oh my goodness. The chocolate chips are like exploding in my mouth. They're so soft. When I first got this box and I was looking at them, I was showing my man and he was like, you better save me half of each one of them, because he even thought that they looked and sounded amazing. So I gotta share. or else I would eat that whole thing right now. Let's go ahead and break up the flavor. Let's try the birthday cake, and then I'll go back to the peanut butter and dark chocolate. This one is the birthday cake. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a birthday cake. Oh my gosh. It looks like there's like little sprinkles inside for the birthday cake. There's some little coloring things in there. Oh. I can feel them crunching as I'm chewing. The flavors are so intense. Like, not expecting this. These are probably going to be the best protein bars that I have ever eaten, and that is not a lie. Like, I don't fluff, I don't make shit up. I tell you guys my real opinion, and I'm gonna say these are probably the best protein bars that I have ever tried. At least those two so far anyway. This one is the peanut butter, dark chocolate, and sea salt. And I will be sharing the other half with my man, so I will have his opinion as well. So this one, again, there are the chocolate chips in there. I can smell the peanut butter. Ooh. I love peanut butter. That one hit me like layers. Like, the only thing I can think of is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. When Violet is eating that and it's turning into all the different courses and she's getting each course row by row. That is how this was. Like, I had the peanut butter, and then I got a little bit of the dark chocolate, and then I got hit with the sea salt, and then it all transformed together in my mouth. Like, that was so good. To be honest, between all three of these, I wouldn't even have a favorite. They are all super, super good. So, you know what? Since I'm just taking a bite from each one, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a bite from the other three now to tell you guys, so then I can just tell you everything now and you can see what they look like. Let me change up my palette a little bit. Let's do the chocolate at the end. Let's go with the mixed fruits, caramel, and sea salt. And then I'll do the creamy peanut butter and sea salt, and then I'll finish it with the last dark chocolate. So this is what this one looks like. And I'll just take a little piece off the end. This one actually has like a full cashew in there. Hold on. Yep. So that one, you can get the caramel. So you're getting a lot of the caramely. It just tastes like a nice caramel. I don't know what, but you get a little bit of the sea salt, and then you get the nuttiness from the cashews and the nuts that are actually inside the bar as well. Oh, that's so good. Okay, this one's just creamy peanut butter and sea salt. I am so glad this company found me and just decided to ship a box to me, because oh my gosh, you guys, this is where I'm gonna be buying my protein bars now. I'm not lying. Oh, now which one is this? Just the peanut butter, creamy peanut butter and sea salt. That is what it is. Oh my gosh. Get the creamy peanut buttery, you get that sea salt, so you get a little bit of the saltiness with the creamy sweetness of the peanut butter. So it's a very good blend. I really like that. So then the last one is the double chocolate brownie batter. That one's probably gonna taste just like a brownie. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe how good these taste. So, and then I see that there's going to be some chocolate chips in here as well. Oh, it smells just like a freaking chocolate brownie. That is so good. Okay, so if you were to tell me to try to put these in some kind of an order, I'm not going to be able to because they're so good. But if I were to say which one I would not purchase, I would say, even though it's still so good and I love peanut butter, and I don't even know why I'm even gonna say this right now, but the one that I would say would be my least favorite, even though they're all good, my least favorite would be the creamy peanut butter and sea salt, only because the other one seems like there was more flavors going on and different things in my mouth. Like there was just more intense flavors with the other ones, but these are all so good, you guys. Like the chocolate brownie is just like a brownie. Oh my gosh. The mixed nuts was really good because it's a lot of caramely with the nutty. So it's not too sweet. Like the intense of sweet is not there. But the other ones, oh, these are just so good. I am so glad this company found me and sent these to me, because now I know where I'm going to be purchasing my bars, because I've never, ever had a protein bar taste this good. I cannot remember anything in my life coming close to getting these. These are very good flavors, you guys. If you have ever heard of this company, let me know. If you've ever tried anything, let me know. If you do try something and you do get it, come back and let me know what you thought of it, because holy moly, these are amazing. SheCrafty will get you 10% off your order. But again, I will link everything down below. You guys comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And yeah, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.